Hello guys and welcome. Today we'll be configuring SSH on a Cisco switch. So what you want to do is click on the switch and get into the CLI. Let's press enter and type in enable. Now configure terminal. This will let us go into global configuration. What we want to do is first of all configure VLAN 1. So what we want to do is int VLAN 1, short for interface VLAN 1. Now let's put in IP address that we'll be using, which will be type C, 192.168.0.2, as .1 will be reserved for a router. Let's put 255.255.255 and 0. Now let's put in no shutdown. This will activate the interface. Now let's put in IP default gateway 192.168.0.1, which will be the IP address for this router. Press enter. Now we'll need to configure a hostname. Let's put hostname S1, short for switch 1, and we need to give it a domain name. So let's put in IP domain name for our SSH, which we'll use example.com as an example. Now what we'll want to do now is give a username and a password. So let's put user name admin and password as admin for an example. In a real world you'd use something more secure. And we'll do enable secret so we can configure the switch on the PC. Let's put enable secret sec and let's press tab to autocomplete. Let's put password. Now we'll need to configure IP SSH version 2 to enable version 2 of SSH, which is more secure. So let's put an IP SSH version 2. Now we'll need to generate a cryptographic key. So let's put in CR and let's press tab to autocomplete. Key generate RSA. Now let's put in 148 to make this as secure as possible. Whoops. Enter and let's put in 148. Now this is going to be generated. What we'll now want to do is now go onto the VT line VTY 015. Now what we want to do is make this configure all these virtual lines to SSH. Let's put in transport tab, input tab, SSH, and that's it. We'll want to type in login local, so it'll use the passwords that are stored on the switch for the SSH, and let's type in enter. This is the configuration done on the switch, so what we're going to do to save them to memory is type in do.w, which stands for write. We'll need to set up this interface as well. So what you're going to do is click on the router and let's go to the CLI. Let's type in no, we do not. And let's type in enable configure terminal, and let's go in int G00, which is this interface. Let's turn this on first, no shut, tab down, and let's give this an IP address. IP address 192.168.0.1, 225.225.225 and 0. And let's write this to memory, do.w to write it to memory. We'll need to do the same thing to the PC and give this the IP address. Let's go to config tab and let's give this IP address 192.168.0.1. Let's go to fast Ethernet 0. Let's type in 192.168.0.3. Tab auto completed our subnet mask, which is good. Now let's see if we can ping VLAN 1 first of all. Let's see if we have connection. Let's ping 192.168.0.2. This will take a while as it will need to go do ARP requests to get the IP address. As we can see, it works. Now we know it works, so let's go and do SSH. So we want to scroll down here where it says SSH/telnet client. Click that. Let's put in the IP address of this VLAN one. So 192.168.0.2. And our username, if you remember, was admin. So let's put in admin. Now our password will be the password that we put in, not the enable secret password, which we'll use later. So let's put in admin. Now we're gonna press EN for enable, and let's see what happens. It asks us for another password, and that password was our enable secret password that we put in earlier. So let's put in password, and we can see we have privileges to change things now. Let's show running configuration. Let's type in enter, and we have access to all this. As we can see, we have successfully configured SSH on a Cisco switch. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and it helps me so much. Thank you for watching this video.